topic of my presentation is the relationship between brand equity and firm's performance in luxury hotels and chain restaurants. Here comes the content. The contents is composed of introduction, literature review, method, results, summary, and conclusions. Background of the study. Brands have been increasingly considered as primary capital for many businesses. Also product categories. Although numerous local or global brands of different product categories have been employed to measure brand equity. Literature on brand equity within the hospitality industry has not been fully investigated. And little empirical research actually demonstrated the correlation between brand equity and corporate performance in hospitality brands. Therefore, the purpose of the study is to examine the possible relationship between customer-based brand equity and the firm's performance in the hospitality industry through an empirical study. Here comes the literature review. There are three perspectives of brand equity. The first, from the customer-based perspectives. And the second, from the financial perspective. And the last, the combined perspective. And here comes the customer-based perspective, the literature review. Aker in 1991. From the customer-based perspective, brand equity is a set of brand assets and liabilities linked to a brand, its name and symbol. Let's add to or subtract from the value provided by a product or service to a firm and slash or to that firm's consumers. Keller in 1993. Brand equity is a differential effect of brand knowledge on consumer response to the marketing of the brand. And the last. Is clear? No. Yeah, I can see this clearly. Yeah. Okay. Brand equity are divided into 4 dimensions. The 4 dimensions are brand loyalty, brand awareness, perceived quality, and brand image. And from the financial perspective, brand equity is based on the incremental discounted future cash flows that would result from a branded product's revenue over the revenue of an unbranded product. And from the combined perspective, brand equity incorporates both customer-based brand equity and financial brand equity. The method. 2 surveys are conducted focus on luxury hotels and chain restaurants. And for luxury hotels, the instrument includes Intercept survey, and this Intercept Intercept survey adopts questionnaires, and the contents of the questionnaire is Likert type scale. And the survey was conducted at the Gimpo Airport in South Korea. And the total of participants are 840 Korean travelers for departure because they are at the Gimpo Airport. And of which 602 responded the questionnaire and completed the survey. So 513 questionnaires were used. The proportion of men to women are 59.1% to 40.9%. The average age is 35.4 years old. And for chain restaurant firms, the instrument is the same as the luxury hotels. The instrument includes intercept survey, and the questionnaires are adopted, and the Likert type scale is used. And the survey was conducted in a large shopping mall in the city of Seoul. The participants are 950 Korean adults, and during which 409 questionnaires were returned, and 394 were usable. The proportion of men to women is 44.2% to 55.8%. The average age is 25.3 years old. In the survey, in the two surveys, large industries, there were 12 brands of luxury hotels included in the large industries, and there were 13 brands of fast food and chain restaurants included in the restaurant. In this study, brand equity includes 4 dimensions, and such as brand loyalty, brand awareness, brand perceived quality, and the brand image. So the hypothesis, customer-based equity, and these 4 components or dimensions in the hospitality industry will have a significant relationship with the performance of the firms of the corresponding brands. Hurry up, okay. I will hurry up. So, yes, the results, all 4 dimensions are found to construct brand equity in chain restaurants, and perceived quality is most important, and the brand awareness is this significant for establishing brand equity in luxury hotels. And we can see the statistics. So the results too. Brand equity has a significant positive relationship with its performance in both chain restaurants and luxury hotels. And we also can see these statistics to improve the results, to prove the results. In summary and conclusions, the results of this study imply that strong brand equity can cause a significant increase